In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion cover in Canva. If you're someone who loves customizing your digital workspace, creating a unique and professional-looking cover for your Notion pages can really elevate your setup. The best part, you don't need to be a design expert to do this. I'll walk you through every step of the process, from setting up your design in Canva to uploading it to Notion. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser or through the mobile app. Canva is a fantastic design tool that's widely accessible, and if you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you've opened Canva, head over to the top right corner and click on the Create a Design button. Next, you'll want to select the Custom Size option. This is where we'll define the exact dimensions for your Notion cover. Enter the width as 1,500 pixels and the height as 600 pixels. Now, the reason we're using these specific dimensions is that it ensures your Notion cover will look crisp and fit perfectly without any awkward cropping or blurring. Once those numbers are entered, hit Create. Now that you've got your blank canvas ready, it's time to choose a background for your design. You have a couple of options here. You can either select a color, gradient, or pattern from Canva's background library, or you can use Canva's magic background feature to instantly generate a unique backdrop for your design. Either way, your background sets the mood and vibe for your Notion workspace. So pick something that matches the aesthetic you're going for. Once your background is in place, it's time to add some personality to your design. Navigate to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of Canva and select Graphics. From here, you can search for illustrations, icons, shapes, or even photos to layer onto your background. Adding these elements makes your design more visually appealing and uniquely yours. So don't be afraid to get creative. You can resize, rotate, or overlap these elements to achieve the look you want. If you want to take it a step further, you can even add animations to your design. This step is optional, but it's a fun way to bring your graphics to life. To do this, click on any graphic you've added, then select the Animate button from the top menu. You'll see a variety of animation effects like shimmer or gentle bounce. Preview a few options and choose the one that fits your design. Now keep in mind that animations are best suited for covers intended to be shared as GIFs. So if you're planning to use a static image, you can skip this step. When you're happy with your design, it's time to save your work. Click the Share button in the top right corner of Canva, then select Download here. You'll choose your file format. If you added animations, go with GIF. For a still image, select either PNG or JPG. I recommend PNG for its higher quality and sharp colors, which will make your design stand out. Now, let's move over to Notion. Open the Notion page where you want to add your new cover. At the top of the page, click Add Cover. You'll then see an Upload option. Select that and choose the file you just downloaded from Canva. Notion will take a moment to upload your cover, and once it's done, your custom design will appear at the top of your page. Take a moment to admire your work and make sure everything looks just the way you want it. Your Notion workspace now has a personalized touch that reflects your style and creativity. And that's how you create a custom Notion cover using Canva. With just a few easy steps, you've learned how to design and upload a cover that's perfectly tailored to your needs. If you have any questions or want to share your own cover designs, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.